everyone, good morning. I always make videos about advantages of online MBAs and online executive MBAs from IIMs. Like, they are super easy to get in if you compare the difficulty level to get in the regular MBAs of IIMs. So I thought it's my responsibility to also tell you the problems and the limitations associated with it. Number one, they are super expensive. एक बार रेगुलर MBA की फीस ज्यादा हो समझ में आता है, but when we compare the other good brands like Narsee Monjee Symbiosis, they are placed between 2 to 3 lakh, but in IIMs the range starts from 8 lakh rupees and goes all the way till 20 lakh rupees, जिसमें ज्यादातर IIMs are placed between 12 lakh to 16 lakh rupees, so they are very expensive. The second limitation is ROI, return on investment. We always think about return on investment, right? Whether you want to do a program or any decision in your life. So इसमें अगर हम ROI देखते हैं तो नंबर वन आता है networking, because you know that they are very expensively placed. तो यहाँ पर जो लोग इसको afford कर सकते हैं फीस में, they are doing very good in their career. So you get actually associated and you make networking from the C-suite profiles and VPs and senior managers. So the number one ROI to look at it is networking, and second is IIM tag, which you are going to use your entire life. बट अगर हम बात करते हैं ट्रेडिशनल वे में ROI का, यानी प्लेसमेंट को जब हम देखते हैं तो देयर आर नो प्लेसमेंट ऑफर्ड इन ऑनलाइन MBAs और ऑनलाइन एग्जीक्यूटिव MBAs. सो उस एंगल में अगर किसी को लगता है कि मुझे ROI उस तरीके से चाहिए, सो फॉर देम दे आर नॉट एबल टू सी गुड ROI आफ्टर दिस प्रोग्राम, सिंस यू गेट two things after completion of this degree: networking and your tag. Third limitation is classroom experience. Almost all the IIMs has D2D option, which is direct to device classroom option, जिसमें आप ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड करते हैं घर से. सिर्फ IIM कोझिकोड में आपको ये ऑप्शन मिलता है जहाँ पे आपको लर्निंग सेंटर्स जाना पड़ता है. और अगर हम कैंपस इमर्शन की बात करते हैं तो मिनिमम 2 वीक्स टू मैक्सिमम 5 वीक्स का कैंपस इमर्शन होता है आपकी पूरी 2 साल की डिग्री में. So this is the third limitation in these programs. For fourth limitation, since we've always mentioned our WhatsApp link in the description, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आती है that our graduation percentage is actually not 50%. तो अगर हम IIMs की कैटेगरी को देखते हैं तो IIM में except IIM अमृतसर कोई भी 50% से नीचे एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता है फिलहाल जनरल कैटेगरी में. So this is the fourth point. Now let's move to the fifth limitation. All IIMs do not accept freshers. Yes, they do not accept freshers, whether in their online MBAs or online executive MBAs. In most of the IIMs, they need minimum 3 years of work experience after graduation. There is just one IIM right now which accept 2 years work experience, but 3 years, 4 years and up to 5 years is a normal eligibility to look at. The next limitation in this program, that you get an alumni status, a regular alumni status after doing this degree, but the terminology mentioned in your degree will be different. So yes, you do not get the same degree as your regular MBA pass out. If you want to see आपकी डिग्री में exactly क्या terminology use होगी, please watch out our video जिसमें हमने 15 IIMs के प्रोग्राम की डिग्री सैंपल को कोलेट करके एक सिंगल वीडियो बनाया है to give you complete information about it. I hope this has given you the clarity about the problems and the limitations of IIMs online MBAs as well. In case you want to know more about any other options or looking for some specific specialization options, feel free to ping us on the WhatsApp link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.